All right, everybody, so here we are again for our next task for February, which is checking your water softener or your treatment system, whatever you have in your home. And so we're down here in the utility room, and we're going to show you kind of what this specific treatment system looks like, because obviously there's different kinds of this as well. So
and you can go through your owner's manual to see how your specific system works, or you might not even have one, but yeah.
Yep, so we're gonna let Becca walk you through kind of how this one works, and she'll go ahead and get that started for you. So, all right, so
the first step,
I guess,
the water goes through an inline water filter,
which we do have a video for as well, and there's also another task this month is to change the inline water filter.
Right
and so
there.
we'll show you what that looks
and
like.
so what that does is it takes out the iron, and then you go to this step, which is called the backwasher or the neutralizer. But what that does is it comes through here, and it pretty much all the minerals will fall in here, and it'll like backwash. I think this is on a timer that's set, I think around earlier in the morning. But what it does is it shoots water out, and all the minerals kind of fall down, and they go out this little hose. So then it pretty much just gets rid of some of the harder minerals first, and then kind of work your way.
And then it works its way to this tank, which is the actual water softener, and where the salt goes in this tank. So basically what you do is you just lift the lid up and take the lid off, and then you're going to want to check your salt level. This probably actually could take some more salt to be put in here, but this will last long enough, so it's not a huge deal right now.
What the salt does is it breaks down some of the harder minerals, which is like a water softener.
Yep, it just softens up the water. And then that's kind of the last step before it actually gets taken out, and that is how this system is set up to soften the water. So once you get your filters changed and your salt levels where they need to be, that should be about all you need to do for this specific task. And then you should have some softer water.
You should have some soft water.